Every afternoon for just over a month now, Kenya's Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has given updates on the extent of the spread of COVID-19 in the country. From the first case announced in March, the numbers have steadily risen.
By now, you'll have noticed that the higher the samples, the higher the number of cases.
On Saturday, the East African nation announced 16 confirmed cases. None of them were from the quarantine facilities, meaning they have no history of travel, and other countries now witnessing community transmissions. Kagwe is now linking these new transmissions to failure by a section of Kenyans to heed government directives, including an order containing those in the epicenters of the disease within their borders.
The governor of Homa Bay informed me this morning of a group of people who traveled from Nairobi in a private vehicle, pretending that they were attending a funeral, fully equipped with an empty coffin, to illustrate that indeed that they were mourners. Those people traveled all the way from Nairobi during this period when we have stopped movement from Nairobi. They managed to come from Nairobi, traveled all the way to Homa Bay, and thanks to the Homa Bay Authority, Governor's Authority, and administration, somebody got suspicious, and on opening the coffin, obviously found out what I am now informing you. They were immediately put in quarantine, and today I can confirm that the driver is positive.
Within the quarantine centers where most of the positive cases have been recorded, the Kenyan government has previously complained of lack of social distancing and all-night parties within the facilities. Now, corruption is rearing its ugly head here.
We are also aware that within the same institutions, a number of people are going to the extent of offering bribes to get out of quarantine facilities. This is wrong. I am aware, for example, that in the county of Mandela, there are people who bribe their way out of quarantine. Both those who did that and those who let them off will face the full force of the law.
These cases of indiscipline, Kagwe warned, are likely to cost the country.
I want to tell such irresponsible persons that they are rolling back our efforts to fight this disease. What the people who are modeling for us are telling us is that depending on the level of discipline, that the results for this country, the number of people who will die in this country, or the number of people who will not die in this country, will depend purely on the level of discipline that we exhibit going forward. There are models that say that we could lose as many as 28,000 Kenyans dead as a result of this disease.
Meanwhile, authorities say they will not relax the dawn to dusk curfew rules to cater for Muslims who are due to begin the holy month of Ramadan this week. Sarah Kimani, SABC News.